Saturn has captivated humanity for centuries. It is a giant planet adorned with shimmering rings, making it a truly breathtaking sight. Even a simple telescope can reveal its beauty. But Saturn is much more than just a pretty face. It is a complex world with many mysteries, and scientists are eager to unravel its secrets. Saturn is a gas giant planet, much like Jupiter. It is the second largest planet in our solar system. However, it is still small compared to the Sun. If the Sun were the size of a basketball, Saturn would be smaller than a marble. Yet this giant world holds clues to the formation of our solar system. It might even help us understand planets around other stars. Saturn is a massive ball of gas. It is mostly hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements in the universe. Saturn is so light that it would float in water if we could find a bathtub big enough. Even though it's made of gas, Saturn is still incredibly heavy. It has a strong gravitational pull that keeps all its moons in orbit. Deep within Saturn's atmosphere, the pressure is immense. This pressure squeezes the gas into a liquid. At the very core, there might be a small, rocky core, similar in size to Earth. Saturn spins very fast. A day on Saturn is only about 10.7 hours long. This rapid spin causes Saturn to bulge at its equator and flatten at its poles. Saturn's rings are its most iconic feature. They are made up of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to chunks bigger than houses. The rings are incredibly thin, only a few hundred meters thick. If you could stack 10,000 Saturn rings on top of each other, they would be about as tall as a standard sheet of paper. The rings are not solid, they are actually made up of many individual ringlets. Each ringlet orbits Saturn at a slightly different speed. Scientists believe that the rings might have formed from the remnants of a shattered moon or comet. These pieces of ice and rock were then caught in Saturn's gravitational pull. Over time, they spread out into the beautiful rings we see today. Saturn has a large family of moons. Astronomers have discovered over 80 moons orbiting the ringed planet. Each moon is unique. Some are small and icy, while others are large enough to have their own atmospheres. Among these fascinating worlds, two stand out as particularly intriguing: Titan and Enceladus. These moons are very different from each other. Titan is a giant world with a thick, hazy atmosphere. Enceladus is much smaller and icier, with geysers that erupt from its south polar region. Both moons hold the potential for harboring life, making them exciting targets for future exploration. Titan is Saturn's largest moon. It is even larger than the planet Mercury. Titan is shrouded in a thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere. This atmosphere is so dense that it hides the moon's surface from view. The surface of Titan is incredibly cold, with temperatures around minus 179 degrees Celsius or minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite the frigid temperatures, Titan is a surprisingly Earth-like world in many ways. It has lakes, rivers, and even rain. However, the liquid on Titan is not water, it is methane and ethane, hydrocarbons that exist as gases on Earth. Scientists believe that Titan's atmosphere and surface might hold clues to the early Earth. This is because they are similar to conditions on our planet billions of years ago. Section 6. Enceladus, a hidden ocean. Enceladus is a much smaller moon than Titan. It is only about 500 kilometers or 310 miles in diameter. Enceladus might seem like an unlikely place to look for life. It is covered in ice. However, appearances can be deceiving. Scientists have discovered that beneath Enceladus's icy surface lies a vast global ocean of liquid water. This ocean is heated by tidal forces from Saturn's gravity. These forces squeeze and stretch the moon, generating heat. This heat keeps the water liquid. The discovery of Enceladus's ocean has generated tremendous excitement among scientists. This is because water is considered essential for life as we know it. Section 7. Exploring the Saturnian system. Scientists use a variety of methods to study Saturn and its moons. Telescopes on Earth and in space provide us with stunning images and data about these distant worlds. Spacecraft, like the Cassini-Huygens mission, have flown past Saturn and its moons. They have beamed back even more detailed information. The Cassini spacecraft even dropped a probe, the Huygens probe, onto the surface of Titan. This probe provided the first ever glimpse of this mysterious moon's surface. These missions have revealed a wealth of information about Saturn and its moons. They have also raised new questions that will require further exploration to answer. Section 8. Unlocking the Secrets of the Cosmos. Studying Saturn and its moons is about more than just satisfying our curiosity about these distant worlds. It is about understanding the fundamental processes that govern the formation and evolution of planets. By studying the rings of Saturn, we can learn about the dynamics of planetary rings in general. By studying the atmospheres and surfaces of Titan and Enceladus, we can learn about the conditions that might be necessary for life to arise elsewhere in the universe. These discoveries have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Section 9. The Future of Exploration. The exploration of Saturn and its moons is far from over. Scientists are already planning future missions to these intriguing worlds. These missions might include orbiters to study the atmospheres and surfaces of Titan and Enceladus in more detail. They might even include landers to search for signs of life in the subsurface oceans of these moons. The exploration of Saturn and its moons is a journey of discovery. It is a journey that has the potential to unlock some of the universe's greatest mysteries. As we continue to explore our cosmic neighborhood, we are sure to make even more amazing discoveries about the wonders of the cosmos.